Quite a lot of my songs seem to be about love. It's just it's either about love or it's about relationships, and it's just an incredible thing. And imagine you get married at Belladrum. Imagine we done the world's fastest wedding at Belladrum. Are we all up for participating in the world's fastest wedding? But I would like to welcome Alan and Vicky onto the stage. Everybody, hands up. I want you all. Big round of applause, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Belladrum, we're having a great time, we're loving the banging tunes, but we're going to witness a marriage right now. Alan and Vicky, come on over here, come on over here.
Big round of applause, make some noise!
I'm the almost Reverend Titchmakui, but not quite. Vicky, I need you to repeat after me. I, Vicky, promise that I will stop.
I, Vicky, promise that I will stop
hiding all the good chocolate.
hiding all the good chocolate.
These are genuine vows, I hasten to add. Right. I'll laugh with you and cry with you and dance with you.
I'll laugh with you, cry with you, and dance with you.
By your side to whoever's playing the music and staying dancing.
And whoever's playing the music and staying dancing.
That's the kind of thing. Alan, it's your turn. Come on over here. I, Alan, promise that I will.
I, Alan, promise that I will.
Stop hiding the remote control.
Stop hiding the remote control.
I'll stand by your side.
I'll stand by your side.
Hold your place in the Portaloo queue.
Hold your place in the Portaloo queue.
Be a shoulder to sit on.
Be a shoulder to sit on.
So you can see the stage properly for the rest of our lives.
So you can see the stage properly for the rest of our lives.
Normally we would say, does anybody want to object? But we're not doing that object. You can't object at Belladrum. So by the power vested in me by Belladrum, by Nathan Evans,
Yes.
by MFR, and by some dodgy website that made me a minister.
I know, I thought this was the world's quickest wedding. What's going on here? This is eating into my set time.
I'm sorry, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Make some noise! So you guys ready for your first dance? Sure. Are you guys all ready to witness their first dance? That's a song called Heather on the Hill. I want to see everybody's hands up. And I want you all singing as loud as possible. Oh, my love said to me, will you meet me by the sea? You can kiss me underneath the misty moon. She is stunning, she is pretty, she's as warm as amber whiskey and as bonny as a heather on the hill.